I'll show you how to replace the third brake light bulb for a 2005 Hyundai Elantra. Here is the light bulb you will need. You will need a screwdriver, and of course the light bulb. Use your thumbs. Push the cover to the back of the car. Then lift up. Then pull forward a little. Be careful not to pull the wires out too far. Rotate the light cover. And twist the light socket counterclockwise and pull out. Rotate the light bulb counterclockwise and pull out. Now replace it with the new one. Line up the tabs, make sure it's flat, then turn the light socket clockwise. Gently slide the light cover back end, make sure you line up the 3 long tabs with the correct slots. Use the screwdriver to gently push on the small tabs on each side of the light cover as you are pushing down on the light cover as it's shown here.